Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on Snap and Sketch background apps in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to turn on Snap and Sketch background apps in Windows 10 PC or laptop, so very easy. First click on Start, type here Settings, click on Setting, click on Privacy, scroll down, click on Background app, scroll down, Hello option, Snip and Sketch. So guys, if you want to enable or turn on, so select to on position. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to turn on Snap and Sketch background apps in Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update. Please comment this video workful or not. Thank you for watching this video.